Good morning, class 11. Welcome to accountancy period. As you know, our lesson ledger is in progress. We have done already one sum, how to pass first journal entry, and then from journal entry how to prepare ledgers. Today we will be doing illustration number 2 in my book. It is page number 13.14. With one new entry we are doing this sum. Following balances appeared in the ledger of Messrs Marble Traders. Messrs Marble Traders. Marble Traders. The name of the sum. And here the first entry is given on 1st April 2017 balances. These are given opening balances. So cash account debit, bank account debit, the things which are debit to be debit, BR account debit, stock account debit, then we have Rahul account debit, Himanshu account debit, two bills payable account, then we have two Ramesh account. These are the accounts. We have 6,000 rupees, then we have 12,000, then we have 7,000, then stock is given with 5,400 rupees, Rahul is 9,700, Himanshu is debited by 10,000, bills payable is 2,000, Ramesh is creditor by rupees 3,000. Now if you see, its debit is more and credit is less. So we discussed earlier also what will be the difference, my dear friends. It will be capital, and the balancing figure of capital will be 41,500. And what would be the narration for it? Narration will be being opening entry passed or being closing balance brought forward. This is the first entry. Now I will be passing few entry only, and then I will help you to transfer into ledger. The first April entry is sold goods to monies 3,000. Sold goods to monies. To monies account debit, to sales account rupees 3,000. Being goods sold to monies. Next entry, purchase goods from Ramesh. Goods purchased, purchases account debit. Goods is coming to, from whom we are purchasing, to Ramesh account 8,000 rupees. Put the date over here. Next entry, received cash from Rahul in full settlement 9,200. Rahul was our debtor. How much amount was due from him? 9,700, and he is paying 9,200 in full settlement. When he is paying money to us, to cash account debit, discount account debit. If you remember, I always told discount is always accompanied with cash. Then it will be to Rahul. His account we are settling. So here, how much money is going to come? 9,700. He was debtor, now he is credited, account is over. How much cash is he paying? 9,200. So 500 becomes automatically discount. Next entry, cash received from Himanshu, rupees 4,000 on account. Cash is coming. So cash account debit to Himanshu, rupees 4,000. How much amount was due from Himanshu? 10,000. But here in the sum, it is not returned full settlement. Only part payment as received. That's why question of discount does not come. Right? Now I am transferring these few journal entry into ledger. First of all, opening entry. While transferring the balances of opening entry, what the rules we are following in these ledger posting, it will not apply over here. Here cash debit by 6,000. This is opening balance. So I will write with the word to balance brought down 6,000 rupees. Cash, it is debit. I will write on debit side to balance brought down. Bank debit by 12. So in bank account to balance brought down. 12,000 rupees. Then we have BR debit. I will be preparing here BR account. BR account. To balance brought down, it is rupees 7,000. To balance brought down. Then we have stock. Stock account. We have to prepare ledger of stock. To balance brought down, it is rupees 5,400. All these are assets on debit side, and all the opening balances will be shown with the name to balance brought down. Then we have Rahul. This is Rahul account. To balance brought down 9,700. Then we have Himanshu debtor. To balance brought down 10,000 rupees. Then credit side bills payable. Let us prepare bills payable account. These are our liabilities. Liabilities opening balance will come on credit side. Buy balance brought down. It is 2,000 rupees. Ramesh. This is Ramesh account. Buy balance brought down rupees 3,000. And then we have capital. So I am going to prepare over here capital account. Capital account. It is also our liability. That's why buy balance brought down 41,100. So try to understand how this opening entry is to be transferred into ledger. These are opening balances. These are debit item. So all debit item will be written in debit side of that particular account with the word to balance brought down. These are our liabilities. So all these liabilities will be written on credit side of that particular account. BP in BP account credit side. Ramesh account credit side. Capital account credit side. So this is the way how to transfer opening entry into ledgers. I think doubt is clear. Now let us see the next entry. Money's account to sales. Here I have to prepare money's ledger, which is not there. Money's account. Here money's is debited. I will pass entry on this side. Debit. It will be to sales account 3,000 rupees. And another account is sales. I have not prepared yet. I am going to prepare it. Sales account. Here sales is credited. You see over here. Here I will be writing this entry on credit side by money's account rupees 3,000. I think agree. Next entry, purchases account debit to Ramesh. Purchase account we have not prepared yet. So let us prepare purchases account. Purchases account. Here I will write Ramesh to Ramesh. What is the purchase amount? 8,000 rupees. Purchase debit. Debit side opposite name. And Ramesh is credited. So this is Ramesh account. How much credited? 8,000. And what is opposite name? Purchase. Buy purchases 8,000 rupees. I think you are able to understand. Next, cash account debit, discount account debit to Rahul. So here cash is debited. So we will also debit the cash. What is the opposite name? Rahul. So to Rahul's account, it is rupees 9,200. Now what is debited? Discount allowed. So let me make one more ledger. Discount allowed account. Here discount allowed is debited. So I will also debit over here by the opposite name. And what is that opposite name? To Rahul, it is rupees 500. And if you see here Rahul is credited. So where is Rahul account? This is Rahul. So entry will come on credit side. And in front of Rahul, in opposite of Rahul, we have buy cash account and buy discount account. It is 9,200 and 500. I think doubt is clear. One more entry, cash account debit to Himanshu. Here cash is debited. So I will debit over here to Himanshu. 4,000 rupees. And Himanshu is credited. So I will write on credit side buy cash account rupees 4,000. In this way, we will be passing entries first, then we will transfer them into ledger. I have taken only few entries, rest you will do yourself. Now I told you how to close them. इनको बंद कैसे किया जाता है मैंने पहले भी बताया था. बाकी एंट्री के पास आप अपने आप करोगे और उनको लेजर पोस्टिंग करोगे. ठीक है. अब मैं यहाँ एज्यूम कर रहा हूँ मेरे पास इतनी एंट्रीज हैं. नाउ हाउ टू क्लोज इट, लेट अस सी. आई टोल्ड ऑल एसेट्स डेबिट विल बी मोर. हमेशा डेबिट ज्यादा होगी. तो इट इज माय डियर 19,200 19,200, and what I'm going to write over here, by balance carried down. Bank, I told earlier, bank can be debit more or can be credit more. 12,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees. By balance carried down. Ramesh, its which side is more? Credit is more. 11,000 rupees. 11,000 rupees. Balancing figure is 11. Two balance carried down. All real account and all personal account are to be closed with the help of carried down. Carried down से इनको बंद करेंगे. Now bills payable in the same way. Credit is more, 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. I will be writing over here. Two balance carried down. In the same way, Rahul, if you see, both sides are equal. Both sides are equal. His account is settled. उसका account already settled हो गया है. There is no balance to carry it forward. Now Himanshu, debit is more by 10,000. By 10,000. How much figure is left? 6. By balance carried down. Right. Now CR, debit is more, 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees. By balance carried down. In this way, we are going to close these ledgers. Here, capital account, two balance carried down because credit side is more. 45,100. I think you understood. Now, after this ledger, one more thing is prepared, that is known as trial balance. इन सभी लेजर के बनाने के बाद हम एक और स्टेटमेंट बनाते हैं. That statement is known as trial balance. Let us see how to prepare trial balance. Give me a moment, please. Now let us see. Trial balance. This is trial balance. Trial balance. This is debit side of trial balance. This is credit side of trial balance. Here it is particular amount. Particular amount. As the name indicates, balance. All the balancing figure of ledgers will be transferred into trial balance. Number one thing, जितने भी ये लेजर हैं, इनके जितने भी बैलेंसेस बचे हैं, उनके सभी के सभी बैलेंस को कहाँ लाया जाएगा? ट्रायल बैलेंस में. Why this trial balance is prepared? This trial balance is prepared to know the arithmetical accuracy of these ledgers. कि ये जब हमने बनाए, इनको जब एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन किया, तो इनमें एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में कहीं मिस्टेक तो नहीं है, उसलिए ये ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाया जाता है. नॉर्मली ट्रायल बैलेंस इज प्रिपेयर्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. ये हमेशा साल के एंड में बनता है. लेजर्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड रेगुलरली, बट ट्रायल बैलेंस इज प्रिपेयर्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द year. It is compulsory for each and every business organization to prepare trial balance. Now how these balance are going to transfer over here? If you remember, in journal entry I told all assets debit and expenses debit. So all these expenses and assets will come on debit side. And I told earlier, income and liability, they are always having credit balance. So these items will be coming on which side? Credit side. This is the first basic funda you have to keep in mind. Logically I am telling. Now let us see cash. Its debit is more. How much balance left? 19200. बैलेंस किधर बचा है? क्रेडिट में बचा है. डेबिट साइड ज्यादा है तभी तो क्रेडिट में बचा है. जो कैश यहाँ जो क्रेडिट में बैलेंस बचा है वो डेबिट में जाएगा. Here I will write to cash account 19,200. बैंक डेबिट ज्यादा है, बैलेंस किधर बचा है? क्रेडिट में. तो जो आइटम क्रेडिट में बैलेंस बचती है उसको हम डेबिट में लिखेंगे. टू बैंक अकाउंट 2,000 रुपीज. रमेश, हमने बैलेंस किधर लिखा है? डेबिट में. बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन, तो ये कहाँ लिखा जाएगा? क्रेडिट में. बाय रमेश. बाय रमेश 11,000 रुपीज. बिल्स पेबल, बैलेंस किधर बचा है डेबिट में, कैरी डाउन, तो इसको भी क्रेडिट में लिखेंगे, बाय बिल्स पेबल 2000 रुपीज। राहुल, here both sides are equal, no balance, so this balance will not be written into trial balance. Himanshu, you see, debit is more, credit is less. How much balance left? 6000. Where it is written? Credit में लिखा है आपने इसको, तो इसको बैलेंस हम किधर लिखेंगे? डेबिट में। To Himanshu rupees 6000. In the same way, Diya, hey, where did you write the balance? Credit side, carry down. तो क्रेडिट में लिखा है तो बैलेंस विल बी रिटन ऑन डेबिट। 2BR 7000 रुपीज। आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। कैपिटल कहां लिख रहे हैं बैलेंस को? हम डेबिट साइड में लिख रहे हैं, तो कैपिटल फिर किधर आएगी? क्रेडिट में। बाय कैपिटल इट इज रुपीज 45,100। इन दिस वे वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर लेजर बैलेंसेस इनटू ट्रायल बैलेंस। यू सी, I told या डेबिट में क्या क्या आइटम आएंगी? एसेट्स एंड एक्सपेंस। ये देखिए आप, कैश, बैंक, हिमांशु डेटर है, बीआर सारी एसेट्स है यहाँ पर। अगर मैं ये डिस्काउंट अलाउड को बंद करूंगा तो इफ डेबिट इज मोर 500 दिस 500 बैलेंस इज बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट। क्रेडिट साइड में बैलेंस है तो इसको किधर लिखेंगे? डेबिट में। टू डिस्काउंट 500, इट इज माय एक्सपेंस। Ramesh, bills payable, capital, all are my liabilities. So in this way, after preparing ledger, what is prepared? Trial balance is prepared. Here I have not done the full sum. I took part of the journal entry. With those journal entries, I prepared these ledgers, and part of ledger balances I am bringing here. If I do the entire sum, all journal entry if I pass, with the help of all those journal entries, if I prepare all ledgers balance will be transferred over here. So at the end both side of trial balance should be equal. अंत में ट्रायल बैलेंस की दोनों साइड क्या होनी चाहिए? इक्वल होनी चाहिए। अगर ट्रायल बैलेंस की दोनों साइड इक्वल नहीं होती हैं तो इट मींस मेरे सम में कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ है, या तो टोटलिंग या सब्ट्रैक्शन मिस्टेक है, या डेबिट का बैलेंस मैंने क्रेडिट में लिख दिया, क्रेडिट का बैलेंस मैंने क्रेडिट में लिख दिया। Such kind of mistakes can be there. So this is another sum of ledger, how to pass journal entries, then how to prepare ledger, and then how to prepare trial balance. Here today I told two new things. Number one, how to do ledger posting of opening entry, and number two, how to prepare trial balance. Thank you very much.